Hello friends. If you are looking forward to pursue the best software testing course with certification, then watch this full video. I'll educate you about what is software testing and how you can bolster your career with the software testing course. What is software testing? Before I inform you about the best software testing course, let's try to understand what is software testing in layman's terms. Most enterprise licensed softwares are made by a team of coders and developers, and there are chances that some glitches may remain in the software. Therefore, it becomes mandatory to remove these glitches by the software tester, or the client companies would not accept the softwares. Moreover, sometimes the softwares have no glitches, but it has some usability issues for the end users. The software tester also checks the usability of softwares through different tools and his or her own working experience. In simple terms, software testing is the process of evaluation of the functionality of the software application with an intent to find whether the software is compatible with the requirements of the client company and end user. Benefits of software testing for IT organizations. There are many examples of the software failures in some large MNCs due to the lack of software testing initiatives by the organization. For instance, the share trading terminal in Bloomberg, London was crashed on April 2015, while affecting around 300,000 traders and a loss of £3 billion in debt sale. In another incident, one of the largest automobile manufacturing companies, Nissan, has to recall around 1 million car models for a mere software failure in the airbag sensory detectors. The company has had to face a loss of millions of dollars due to this software glitch. Therefore, it can be said that adopting the best policies of software testing can let the MNCs save millions of dollars on glitches, while saving the precious brand image in long term. How can you bolster your career with software testing? It is clear from that software testing has become mandatory for most of the large business organizations, which can let them save their precious brand image and millions of dollars on glitches. So, most of the large IT organizations are now hiring the fresher or experienced software testers. There is also less competition for job in software testing because most of the fresher graduates look out for the software development jobs. So, if you want to grab a job in a reputed IT organization, then I would suggest you to enroll for the best software testing course as soon as possible. Another thing, software testing is easier than software development and coding, but the remunerations of software testers are reasonably high. So, even if you are not much acquainted with software development or coding, still you can make a bright career in software testing. Most of the large IT organizations are looking for the best software tester who can easily test their coding and softwares. They are willing to pay a good remuneration for experienced or expert software tester who can pursue software testing course. If you are an experienced software professional or a fresher IT or computer science graduate, then you can look out for the software testing course. Software testing is easier than software development, so you can easily learn it without worrying about learning difficult coding language. The fee for the software testing course is also cheaper compared to other online courses, so you don't have to worry about spending large amount. Edureka, best platform to learn software testing. If you are really serious about making a bright career in software testing, then I would suggest you not to look for any free software testing course, because the makers won't assist you in getting a job in the MNC. Edureka is the best platform to learn software testing because it has the faculty of highly experienced lecturers and software testing experts. They will look after your doubts and clear them on live sessions, which is not possible in free software testing course. One of the most common reasons why freshers don't get a job in MNC is because they fail in the interview. Edureka will provide your thorough assistance to face interviews and also suggest you to some MNCs so that you can grab your very first job in software testing. The fee for software testing by Edureka is also cheaper compared to other international platforms. The average remuneration of the software testing expert is around $50,000 per annum. So, you can rest assure yourself for a bright career after completing software testing course from Edureka. You will learn following topics in this course by Edureka. 1. Introduction to software testing. 2. Test execution and test design techniques. 3. Introduction to CI/CD and DevOps and performance testing. 4. bug reporting and test environment setup. This is a foundation course for professionals who want to learn software testing and become software engineers, software developers, system administrators, or managers in at MNCs. You have to have a basic understanding of SDLC, software development lifecycle, and Java. Although, Edureka will provide you self-paced videos on these topics, if you are not acquainted with these topics, you can visit the link in the description for more information about the best software certification course by Edureka. So, I hope you found this post educating and interesting. That would help you to make a bright career as a software tester. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like my video. Hello friends.